Hey, seniors at Mount Horeb High School. Um, I've been thinking a lot about you as a class, and this message is directly to you. This has been a tough time these past few weeks as you kind of prepare for graduation. And there's been moments where you've been able to enjoy some time with friends and family and not have maybe some of that pressure of school. But as you know, graduation is upon you. You're thinking about your future next year and thinking about the things that you should have the right to have this spring. Some of you wanted to be competing for a state title or for a sectional or for a conference title for your team in different events, athletics, non-athletics. The graduation ceremony, we don't have answers. It's going to happen. When, where, how, we're still trying to figure that out. And that question and that mystery for you has to be really frustrating. You've worked really hard these last during your time at Mount Horeb High School, and you deserve to have that celebrated. As a first year principal, that first senior class is memorable. It's one that you think about. It's one that you that will sit with you. Will sit with me for a long time, and now it will be etched in my memory forever to think of the seniors as we move on and graduate you, move you forward. The students in this class. And so I want to say thank you. I know that this can be difficult, and I think about all the high school students, I think about all that everybody's going through, but in particular, I think about our seniors. You're the ones that are going to be there. Think of the memories that are being sacrificed and the things that you want to be doing right now. Yet I also know that by doing the right thing, and then I hope that you are staying home and doing your part. This pandemic, this disease is having a direct impact on our community. Your leadership in the high school, your leadership in the community, all the things you've worked really hard to do are now important. You need to show that leadership, stay home, spend time with family, enjoy that time with family, do your part as a senior. People ask me, well, what about silver court hours? You want to do silver court hours? Stay at home. They're your hours. Stay at home. Be a leader and do things that you know that you can do with family that you may not be able to do in a couple months when you're graduating or off to work or college or whatever. When we get back to what normal may be, and it may never look the same again. But I do want to thank you for all that you've done. Thank you for all that you're going to do. Thank you for your leadership in the building. The laughs I know I've had walking around the cafeteria this year, talking to seniors, talking to students, athletic events, different evening, going to concerts and seeing the wonderful talent we have at this high school, seeing just the amazing abilities and leadership and the qualities that come out of our students is truly remarkable. So I just wanted to say thank you. As a principal of first year principal and learning this myself, I've learned a lot. And one thing I've learned is that our students are resilient. The resilience of our students is remarkable. And you will get through this. You will battle through this. Before I kind of get off on a long tangent here, but one of the things I did want to share is there's this theory and there's evidence out there that trees in a forest talk to each other. They share resources and they work together to keep themselves going. And even though they're not touching, even though they're not together all the time, they don't physically feel each other, maybe branches do, the work is done underground. It's in the roots. It's in the pieces that grow. Nutrients get passed along. If there is a tree that is diseased or dying, other trees will send nutrients to it, will help support it. Senior class, this is where we need you to be. We need you to be those trees in the forest. You may not be able to hold each other or do the things you want to be doing, but communicate, use your roots, use the things you know how to in technology in a way that's positive and that's supportive. Share your nutrient. When you have a peer who is struggling, reach out, give them what you can. You guys have been through a lot, and I know that you can continue to do that work. So please be those trees in the forest where you share nutrients, you share ideas. If you have a friend who's struggling, make sure that friend gets help and support that they need. This can be a very difficult time. That's what I keep going back to is those trees in the forest who work together to better the forest as a whole. It's not just one tree, it's all of them. And what a wonderful way to think about how we can help each other and use those things around us to help one another. So thank you for all you're doing. We don't have answers on prom. We don't have answers on graduation right now. It's sad that it's been being postponed. As we work through, stay engaged in classes, stay engaged, keep some routine, get some normalcy. School is meant to help you along. It's meant to keep your brain activated. So be engaged with it. Talk to teachers. Go to the office hours. Do the work. We're not at we want to keep you engaged with school and your brain activated, but also give you normalcy. It's important. So stay engaged. Stay home. Be with family. Spend time. Sleep in. I'm sure you are. And just thank you. Thank you for all you've done for me as a principal this year, for our administration team. Thank you for what you're going to do. And I do look forward to seeing you again, because we will see each other again. And it may be back at the school, maybe shaking your hand as you cross that stage, maybe virtually if you ever want to reach out. Feel free to reach out. Send me an email if you need to connect. But thank you for all you've done. Thank you for what you'll continue to do. And I'm proud to be the Mount Horeb principal and be your principal. Even for this 1 year seniors, it means a lot. Best of luck. Stay healthy, and we'll see you soon.